Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our grade 5 general science practice quiz. Today we are going to revise chapter 2 microorganisms and diseases. आज हम microorganisms, diseases, उनके spread होने के ways, prevention और useful microorganisms के बारे में रिवाइज करेंगे. हर क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से सुनिए, थोड़ा सोचिए, फिर अपना आंसर चेक कीजिए. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Multiple choice questions. We are starting with multiple choice questions. हर क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे. क्वेश्चन को समझें, ऑप्शंस को कंपेयर करें और आंसर रिवील होने से पहले खुद आंसर चूज करें. MCQ 1. What are all those tiny organisms called that can only be seen under a microscope? A. Cells. B. Microorganisms. C. Molecules. D. Tissues. सोचिए, जो लिविंग थिंग्स नेकेड आई से नजर नहीं आते और माइक्रोस्कोप से दिखते हैं, उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स. वेरी गुड. Microorganisms is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 2. Which are the two main groups of microorganisms with some fungi also included among them? A. Virus and bacteria. B. Fungi and algae. C. Protozoa and virus. D. Bacteria and algae. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, वायरस एंड बैक्टीरिया. वेरी गुड. Virus and bacteria is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 3. Viruses are described as the link between A. Plants and animals. B. Living and non-living things. C. Bacteria and fungi. D. Cells and tissues. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Living and non-living things. Very good. Living and non-living things is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 4. Outside the body of a host, a virus is A. Still infectious. B. Non-living. C. Reproducing rapidly. D. Harmless but alive. होस्ट के बाहर वायरस रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं करता. अब बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, नॉन लिविंग. वेरी गुड. नॉन लिविंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. MCQ 5. Where can bacteria be found? A. Only in soil. B. Only inside living things. C. Air, water, soil, and inside living things. D. Only in water. बैक्टीरिया सिर्फ एक जगह नहीं होते, अपने सराउंडिंग्स को सोचिए. Yes, the correct answer is C. Air, water, soil, and inside living things. Very good. Air, water, soil, and inside living things is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 6. Which statement correctly differentiates bacteria from viruses? A. Bacteria can survive inside or outside a host. Viruses cannot reproduce outside a host. B. Viruses are single-celled. Bacteria are not. C. Bacteria only cause diseases in plants. D. Viruses can survive without a host indefinitely. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, बैक्टीरिया कैन सर्वाइव इनसाइड और आउटसाइड अ होस्ट. Viruses cannot reproduce outside a host. Very good. Bacteria can survive inside or outside a host. Viruses cannot reproduce outside a host is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 7. Why can't fungi make their own food? A. They have no roots. B. They have no chlorophyll. C. They live underground. D. They are too small. प्लांट्स फूड बनाने के लिए क्लोरोफिल यूज करते हैं. फंगाई में क्या मिसिंग होता है? Yes, the correct answer is B. They have no chlorophyll. Very good. They have no chlorophyll is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 8. How do fungi typically obtain their food? A. By photosynthesis. B. By decomposing dead organisms or matter and absorbing it. C. By hunting other organisms. D. By filtering water. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. By decomposing dead organisms or matter and absorbing it. Very good. By decomposing dead organisms or matter and absorbing it is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 9. Which of these is an example of a microscopic fungus? A. Mushroom. B. Yeast. C. Grass. D. Moss. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Yeast. Very good. Yeast is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 10. Which group of microorganisms causes measles and mumps? A. Bacteria. B. Fungi. C. Virus. D. Protozoa. डिजीज कॉजिंग ग्रुप को रिकॉल कीजिए. मीजल्स और मम्प्स किस टाइप के माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से होते हैं? Yes, the correct answer is C. Virus. Very good. Virus is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 11. Which group of microorganisms causes typhoid and cholera? A. Virus. B. Bacteria. C. Fungi. D. Protozoa. टाइफॉइड और कॉलरा के कॉज को याद कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Bacteria. Very good. Bacteria is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 12. Which group of microorganisms causes ringworm and athlete's foot? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Fungi. D. Protozoa. नाम वर्म जैसा है, लेकिन रिंग वर्म एक्चुअली किस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से होता है? Yes, the correct answer is C. Fungi. Very good. Fungi is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 13. What is the name given to microorganisms that cause disease in their host? A. Decomposers. B. Pathogens. C. Antibodies. D. Antigens. डिजीज कॉज करने वाले माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स के स्पेशल साइंटिफिक नेम को रिकॉल कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Pathogens. Very good. Pathogens is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is an example of an airborne disease? A. Typhoid. B. Tuberculosis. C. Ringworm. D. Malaria. कॉफिंग और स्नीजिंग से एयर में जर्म स्प्रेड हों तो ट्रांसमिशन का नाम क्या होगा? Yes, the correct answer is B. Tuberculosis. Very good. Tuberculosis is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 15. Diseases spread through polluted drinking water are called A. Airborne diseases. B. Waterborne diseases. C. Animal-borne diseases. D. Direct contact diseases. क्लू है polluted water. अब डिजीज ट्रांसमिशन का टाइप चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Waterborne diseases. Very good. Waterborne diseases is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 16. A mosquito biting a healthy person after biting a malaria patient is an example of which type of disease transmission? A. Airborne. B. Waterborne. C. Animal-borne. D. Foodborne. मस्कीटो एक एनिमल वेक्टर है. इस क्लू से ट्रांसमिशन टाइप आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is C. Animal-borne. Very good. Animal-borne is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 17. Shaking hands with an infected person can spread disease through A. Airborne transmission. B. Waterborne transmission. C. Direct contact. D. Foodborne transmission. अगर इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन को टच करने से जर्म्स ट्रांसफर हों, इसे क्या कहते हैं? Yes, the correct answer is C. Direct contact. Very good. Direct contact is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 18. What is the main difference between infectious and non-infectious diseases? A. Infectious diseases cannot be treated. B. Infectious diseases can spread from one person to another. Non-infectious diseases cannot. C. Non-infectious diseases only affect animals. D. Infectious diseases only affect the lungs. मेन डिफरेंस ये है, क्या डिजीज एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन तक स्प्रेड हो सकती है? Yes, the correct answer is B. Infectious diseases can spread from one person to another. Non-infectious diseases cannot. Very good. Infectious diseases can spread from one person to another. Non-infectious diseases cannot is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 19. Which of these is a non-infectious disease? A. Flu. B. COVID-19. C. Diabetes. D. Tuberculosis. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मेन कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is C. Diabetes. Very good. Diabetes is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. MCQ 20. Poliovirus mainly settles in the throat and intestine and can permanently paralyze A. the lungs, B. the legs, C. the liver, D. the heart. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. the legs. Very good. The legs is the correct answer. MCQ 21. Hepatitis is an inflammatory condition of which organ? A. Kidneys, B. liver, C. heart, D. lungs. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. liver. Very good. Liver is the correct answer. MCQ 22. What is the recommended minimum time to wash your hands with soap? A. 5 seconds. B. 20 seconds. C. 1 minute. D. 2 minutes. हैंड वॉशिंग के recommended minimum time को याद कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. 20 seconds. Very good. 20 seconds is the correct answer. MCQ 23. How does vaccination protect the body against a disease? A. It cures the disease instantly. B. It introduces weak or dead germs so the body produces antibodies against them. C. It removes all germs from the body permanently. D. It only works after a person is already sick. वैक्सीनेशन बॉडी को फ्यूचर इन्फेक्शन के लिए प्रिपेयर करती है. एंटीबॉडीज का कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. It introduces weak or dead germs so the body produces antibodies against them. Very good. It introduces weak or dead germs so the body produces antibodies against them is the correct answer. MCQ 24. Up to what age are children given polio drops in Pakistan's vaccination campaign? A. 2 years. B. 5 years. C. 10 years. D. 18 years. वैक्सीनेशन बॉडी को फ्यूचर इन्फेक्शन के लिए प्रिपेयर करती है. एंटीबॉडीज का कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. 5 years. Very good. 5 years is the correct answer. MCQ 25. What is the first antibiotic originally derived from a fungus called penicillium? A. Aspirin. B. Penicillin. C. Insulin. D. Vaccine. पेनिसिलियम फंगस से मिलने वाली फेमस एंटीबायोटिक का नाम याद कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Penicillin. Very good. Penicillin is the correct answer. MCQ 26. What do bacteria and fungi do as decomposers? A. They create new organisms. B. They break down dead organisms and waste into simple substances. C. They cause all infectious diseases. D. They stop nutrient recycling. Dead organisms और waste को simple substances में break करने वाले organisms को सोचिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. They break down dead organisms and waste into simple substances. Very good. MCQ 27. Which factors increase the rate of decomposition? A. Cold, dryness and darkness. B. Temperature, humidity and oxygen. C. Only sunlight. D. Only pressure. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Temperature, humidity and oxygen. Very good. Temperature, humidity and oxygen is the correct answer. MCQ 28. Which part of the human body has an acidic environment that inhibits the growth of many bacteria? A. Skin. B. Stomach. C. Nasal passage. D. Lungs. बॉडी का कौन सा ऑर्गन एसिड कंटेन करता है और मेनी बैक्टीरिया की ग्रोथ रोकता है? Yes, the correct answer is B. Stomach. Very good. Stomach is the correct answer. MCQ 29. How does mucus in the nasal passage help defend the body? A. It produces antibodies. B. It traps bacteria and prevents their entry into the lungs. C. It kills viruses instantly. D. It raises body temperature. नोज का म्यूकस जर्म्स को ट्रैप करता है. अब करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. It traps bacteria and prevents their entry into the lungs. Very good. It traps bacteria and prevents their entry into the lungs is the correct answer. MCQ 30. Before dressing a wound using a first aid box, what is the first step? A. Apply a bandage immediately. B. Wash your hands with soap and water. C. Cover the wound with soil. D. Ignore the wound. वूंड को टच करने से पहले हाइजीन का फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए? Yes, the correct answer is B. Wash your hands with soap and water. Very good. Wash your hands with soap and water is the correct answer. MCQ 31. If you have flu, what will you do to keep others safe from infection? A. Will exercise. B. Will sleep for more time. C. Will sit in the sun. D. Will wear a mask. फ्लू रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन है. दूसरों को ड्रॉपलेट से प्रोटेक्ट करने का सिंपल वे सोचिए. Yes, the correct answer is D. Will wear a mask. Very good. Will wear a mask is the correct answer.
MCQ 32. Which one of the following causes polio? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Housefly. D. Mosquito. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Virus. Very good. Virus is the correct answer. MCQ 33. Mainly, protection against infectious diseases is done by A. Wearing mask, washing hand, vaccination. B. Wearing mask, washing hand, sunbathing. C. Washing hands, sunbathing, sleeping more. D. Vaccination, washing hands, staying indoors. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is A. Wearing mask, washing hand, vaccination. Very good. Wearing mask, washing hand, vaccination is the correct answer. MCQ 34. To which group of microorganisms do mushrooms belong? A. Virus. B. Fungi. C. Bacteria. D. Protozoa. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Fungi. Very good. Fungi is the correct answer. MCQ 35. Penicillium is an example of which group? A. Protozoa. B. Fungi. C. Bacteria. D. Virus. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Fungi. Very good. Fungi is the correct answer. MCQ 36. Which one of the following contaminates food? A. Moisture. B. Microorganisms. C. Air. D. Heat. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is B. Microorganisms. Very good. Microorganisms is the correct answer. MCQ 37. Which one of the following is not a microorganism? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Protozoa. D. Ant. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is D. Ant. Very good. Ant is the correct answer. MCQ 38. What is one way that bacteria can be helpful? A. They live on spoiled food. B. They can make us sick. C. They help break down dead leaves and soil. D. They like to eat sweet foods. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is C. They help break down dead leaves and soil. Very good. They help break down dead leaves and soil is the correct answer. MCQ 39. Microorganisms can be found. A. In water. B. In air. C. All around us. D. In animals. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is C. All around us. Very good. All around us is the correct answer. MCQ 40. Microorganisms also help in the production of food like A. Bread. B. Fruits and seed. C. Vegetables. D. Pulses. सोचिए बच्चों, क्वेश्चन का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट रिकॉल कीजिए और बेस्ट ऑप्शन चूज कीजिए. Yes, the correct answer is A. Bread. Very good. Bread is the correct answer. Part 2. Short questions. Now we are starting short questions. Questions सुनकर फ़ौरन आंसर ना देखें. पहले अपने वर्ड्स में आंसर बनाने की कोशिश करें, फिर गिवन आंसर से कंपेयर करें. Short 1. What are microorganisms? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Tiny organisms that can only be seen under a microscope. They are present everywhere in our surroundings. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 2. What are the main groups of microorganisms? Give one example of each. सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Virus, for example, flu virus. Bacteria, for example, round, rod-shaped or spiral bacteria. And fungi, for example, yeast, penicillium. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 3. Why are viruses called the link between living and non-living things? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. They can reproduce only inside a living organism. Outside a host's body, they are non-living. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 4, name one disease each caused by a virus, a bacterium and a fungus. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. नाउ चेक योर आंसर. वायरस, पोलियो, बैक्टीरिया, टाइफॉइड, फंगाई, रिंगवर्म. वेरी गुड. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. शॉर्ट 5, हाउ डू माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स गेट ट्रांसमिटेड इनटू ह्यूमंस? सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. नाउ चेक योर आंसर. थ्रू एयर, water, food, animals, and direct contact with an infected person or their belongings. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. शॉर्ट 6, हाउ डू इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेस स्प्रेड? सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. नाउ चेक योर आंसर. Pathogens released by an infected person through coughing, sneezing, contaminated water or food, animal bites, or direct contact enter a healthy person's body. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. शॉर्ट 7, differentiate between infectious and non-infectious diseases. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Infectious diseases like flu, TB, COVID-19 can spread from one person to another. Non-infectious diseases like diabetes and cancer cannot be transmitted between people. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 8. What is an airborne disease? Give an example. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. A disease transmitted when pathogens released by coughing, sneezing, or talking are breathed in by a healthy person. For example, COVID-19, flu, TB. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 9. What is a waterborne disease? Give an example. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. A disease transmitted through polluted water used for drinking or cooking. For example, diarrhea, typhoid. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 10. How are animal-borne diseases transmitted? Give an example. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. An animal such as a mosquito picks up pathogens from an infected person and transmits them to a healthy person it bites next. For example, malaria, dengue. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 11. What are the methods of preventing the transmission of infectious diseases? सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Washing hands thoroughly, wearing a mask, getting vaccinated, practicing good hygiene, and avoiding insect bites. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 12. How does vaccination protect us from disease? सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Weak or dead germs are injected into the body, causing it to produce antibodies that remain and fight off the real disease-causing germs later. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 13. How do skin, mucus, and stomach acid prevent microbes from entering the body? सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Skin's oil gland secretions weaken or kill bacteria on contact. Mucus in the nasal passage traps bacteria before they reach the lungs. The stomach's acidic environment inhibits the growth of many bacteria. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 14. Write 2 advantages, useful roles of microorganisms. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. They are used to make food items like bread, cheese, and yogurt, and they are used to make medicines such as antibiotics, for example, penicillin. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 15. Write 2 benefits and 2 harmful effects of bacteria. सोचिए, चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Benefits. They help digest food in the small intestine and are used to make yogurt. Harmful effects. Some bacteria cause diseases like typhoid and cholera and they can spoil food. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 16. Describe the role of microorganisms as decomposers. सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Bacteria and fungi break down dead organisms and waste matter into simple substances, recycling nutrients like carbon dioxide and nitrogen back into the environment. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 17. What factors increase the rate of decomposition? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Higher temperature, humidity and oxygen levels. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 18. What are the symptoms of diabetes mentioned in the chapter? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Excessive thirst and hunger, frequent urination, fatigue and weight loss. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 19. What effects can eating too much sugar have on the body? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Higher blood pressure, inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, liver diseases, and an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 20. What are the 3 steps for using a first aid box to dress a wound? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Wash your hands with soap and water, clean the cut with gauze or a clean cloth, then apply an elastoplast or bandage once the bleeding has stopped. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 21. Name 3 ways to prevent insect bites. सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. Use insect repellent, wear clothing that protects the skin and sleep under a mosquito net or use screens on windows and doors. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए. Short 22. Why should a used mask not be reused? सोचिए. चैप्टर का रेलेवेंट कॉन्सेप्ट याद कीजिए और अपना शॉर्ट आंसर बनाइए. Now check your answer. It can collect germs and no longer works as an effective barrier, so it should be disposed of properly. Very good. इस आंसर का मैं आइडिया समझकर एक दफ़ा खुद रिपीट कीजिए.
Part 3. Matching. Now we have matching activities. हर आइटम को उसके करेक्ट फैक्ट, एग्जाम्पल या फंक्शन के साथ मैच करें. पहले खुद ट्राई करें, फिर आंसर्स चेक करें. Matching Set 1. Disease and fact. Match each disease with its correct fact. Polio, hepatitis, ringworm, COVID-19, diabetes, and cancer. Now check. Polio is caused by a virus and can permanently paralyze the legs. Hepatitis is an inflammatory condition of the liver caused by a virus. Ringworm is a fungal infection of the skin. COVID-19 is caused by coronavirus and spreads through social contact and respiration. Diabetes is a non-infectious disease in which blood sugar level increases. Cancer is a non-infectious disease with uncontrolled increase in cell number. Matching Set 2. Mode of transmission and example. Match each mode of transmission with its example. Airborne, waterborne, animal-borne, food-borne, and direct contact. Airborne. COVID-19, flu, and TB spread by coughing or sneezing. Waterborne, diarrhea and typhoid from polluted water. Animal-borne, malaria, spread by a mosquito bite. Foodborne, cholera from eating contaminated food. Direct contact, flu spread by shaking hands with a patient. Matching set 3, prevention, what it does and example. Now match each prevention method with what it does and its example. Washing hands, wearing a mask, vaccination, and avoiding insect bites. Washing hands removes germs using soap for 20 seconds and is recommended before and after meals. Wearing a mask blocks germs from entering through the nose and mouth, and a used mask should not be reused. Vaccination trains the body to produce antibodies using weak or dead germs. Polio drops are given to children up to age 5. Avoiding insect bites includes repellents, nets, and screens and helps protect against diseases like malaria and dengue.
Part 4. Fill in the blanks. Now complete the fill in the blanks. Sentence को पूरा सुनिए, meaning समझिए और missing scientific word recall कीजिए. Blank 1. All tiny organisms that can only be seen under a microscope are called blank. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, all tiny organisms that can only be seen under a microscope are called microorganisms. Very good. Blank 2. Viruses are the link between living and blank things. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, viruses are the link between living and non-living things. Very good. Blank 3. Bacteria are blank-celled organisms found in air, water, soil and inside living things. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, bacteria are single-celled organisms found in air, water, soil and inside living things. Very good. Blank 4. Fungi cannot make their own food because they have no blank. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, fungi cannot make their own food because they have no chlorophyll. Very good. Blank 5. Mold, penicillium and yeast are examples of microscopic blank. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, mold, penicillium and yeast are examples of microscopic fungi. Very good. Blank 6. Microorganisms that cause disease in their host are called blank. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, microorganisms that cause disease in their host are called pathogens. Very good. Blank 7. Diseases spread through coughing, sneezing or talking are called blank diseases. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, diseases spread through coughing, sneezing or talking are called airborne diseases. Very good. Blank 8. Diseases spread through polluted drinking water are called blank diseases. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, diseases spread through polluted drinking water are called waterborne diseases. Very good. Blank 9. A disease that can be transmitted from one person to another is called a blank disease. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, a disease that can be transmitted from one person to another is called an infectious disease. Very good. Blank 10. Diabetes and cancer are examples of blank diseases which do not spread from person to person. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, diabetes and cancer are examples of non-infectious diseases which do not spread from person to person. Very good. Blank 11. Polio is caused by a virus that can permanently paralyze the blank. सोचिए, blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is, polio is caused by a virus that can permanently paralyze the legs. Very good. Blank 12. Hepatitis is an inflammatory condition of the blank. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is hepatitis is an inflammatory condition of the liver. Very good. Blank 13. We should wash our hands thoroughly with soap for at least blank seconds. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is we should wash our hands thoroughly with soap for at least 20 seconds. Very good. Blank 14. In vaccination, weak or dead germs are injected into the body so it produces blank against them. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is in vaccination, weak or dead germs are injected into the body so it produces antibodies against them. Very good. Blank 15. Polio drops should be given to children up to the age of blank years. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is polio drops should be given to children up to the age of 5 years. Very good. Blank 16. Penicillin, the first antibiotic, was originally derived from a fungus called blank. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is penicillin, the first antibiotic, was originally derived from a fungus called penicillium. Very good. Blank 17. Bacteria and fungi that break down dead organisms and waste into simple substances are called blank. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is bacteria and fungi that break down dead organisms and waste into simple substances are called decomposers. Very good. Blank 18. The stomach has a blank environment which inhibits the growth of many types of bacteria. सोचिए blank में कौन सा word आएगा? Correct sentence is the stomach has an acidic environment which inhibits the growth of many types of bacteria. Very good. Great work, students. आपने चैप्टर 2 माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड डिजीजेस के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, मैचिंग और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स बहुत छोटे होते हैं लेकिन उनके इफ़ेक्ट्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। गुड हाइजीन, क्लीन फूड एंड वाटर, वैक्सीनेशन और डिजीज़ प्रिवेंशन के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को याद रखें। कीप लर्निंग, कीप थिंकिंग एंड स्टे क्यूरियस। अल्लाह हाफिज़।